Hello. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use 3 pressure points which have been shown to be a natural remedy for ADHD. Are you easily distracted? Do you tend to act without thinking about consequences? Or do you find it hard to remain still? If so, then you have the symptoms of ADHD. ADHD is not a disease, but a collection of symptoms including inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Conventional treatments usually include various types of medications. These may reduce symptoms but carry a high risk of side effects such as sleep problems, mood swings, anxiety, irritability, and headaches. And long-term side effects such as dependency, growth suppression, and cardiovascular issues have been documented. Recent studies have shown that acupuncture and acupressure can reduce the symptoms of ADHD. Here's a case study. A 61-year-old woman came in for acupressure point treatment after her physician had told her she had ADHD and suggested taking a medication. She had taken an ADHD questionnaire and answered yes to almost every question. During her acupuncture point treatment session, she shouted and raged for a few minutes, then became calm. At the end of the session, she stated that she now understood the meaning of embracing her anger. In that moment, her ADHD symptoms disappeared. Here's another study of a 25-year-old university student. He had been on ADHD medications since he was 10 years old. He became aware of the long-term effects of these medications and wanted to taper off. He discussed this with his medical doctor, who was willing to help him as long as he engaged in a program of acupressure point treatments along with his approach. With this approach, he largely avoided the common withdrawal symptoms of anxiety, depression, irritability, and insomnia. After 3 months, he was off of all medications and functioning well. I'm going to show you these 3 research-tested acupressure points intended to reduce or eliminate the symptoms of ADHD. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've dedicated my life to helping people avoid unnecessary medications and surgery by giving them options that are both safe and effective. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The first point I'd like to demonstrate is on the outside of your ankle. To find this point, locate the tip of your ankle bone right over here. Then move down till you come off the bone right here. You'll be in a soft spot between a few bones. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Tay-Shin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times like this. Now find and massage this point on your other ankle. The next powerful point for ADHD is on the side of your hand just below your pinky finger. To find this point, find the side of the pinky finger knuckle, right over here. Now move down till you just come off the knuckle right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Now, find and massage this point on your other hand. The third research-tested point of this powerful trio is located on the top of your head. To find this point, you can put your thumbs on the tips of your ears and find the spot where your fingers meet, like this. right here. Right over here. Now, push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, you can pulse it 25 times like this. And here's another view. All right, good job. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, let it out through your mouth, and repeat, and repeat. The next step to reducing the symptoms of ADHD is to reduce brain fog. I put my video, Combat Brain Fog Today, right over here. Check it out.